Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, 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 Allah.
Good deeds are protection against the blows of adversity. Run from greatness and greatness will follow you. Taking pain to relieve others' pain is the true essence of generosity. He should know that his heart is empty of faith when good advice is of no use to him. When an honorable person acquires knowledge, he humbles himself, and when a legislator acquires knowledge, he becomes proud. Beware of pride, because you will return to earth, and your body will be eaten by worms. Life will pass, but death is much closer. Good behavior is when one does not need any reward in return for a good deed. I have been given authority over you, and I am not the best of you. If I do well, help me, and if I made a mistake, correct me. A man who is shy and humble is a wonderful character, but a woman who is shy and humble is extraordinary. The greatest truth is honesty, and the greatest falsehood is dishonesty. Cursed be he who dies, but the evil committed by him lives on. God bless him who helps his brother. One of the worst sins is that people take their sins lightly. He who avoids complaints invites happiness. It's a shame that in the morning the birds have to get up earlier than you. Do not cut down a tree that bears fruit. If a fool is interested in worldly things, that is bad. But if a learned person is thus attracted, that is worse. The more knowledge you have, the greater your fear of God will be. Speaking less is wisdom. Eating less is healthy. Lack of sleep is worship. Lack of socializing is a recipe for safety. Do not follow vain desires, for verily he who is prosperous is protected from lust, greed, and anger. If you want to control others, control yourself first. Better alone than the society of bad people. In matters of justice, all should be equal in your eyes. God will help him who moves in God's way.